Hello friends, online lecture of Object Oriented Programming. S&D College of Engineering and Research Center Yeola, Department of Computer Engineering. Myself Professor Saukar Dhanashri, Department of Computer. Subject is Object Oriented Programming. Unit number 1, Fundamental of Object Oriented Programming. Why C++? Popular and relevant use in nearly every application domain. End user application, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop, Acrobat, Weekend and games. Operating system is Windows, NX, NT, XP, IBM, K42, some Apple, OS X, large scale web server apps, Amazon, Google, central database control, communication, numerical and computation graphics, device and driver under real time, constant, stable, compatible and scalable. C as C++ means C language versus C++ language. C++ is a C is incremented. C++ is more expensive. C++ is just as permissive. C++ can just as efficient. C++ is more maintainable. Efficiency and maintainability. 10% of programming will take 90% of processor runtime. Optimize what need to be optimized, but more focus on design. Design goals of C++. Backward capability with C. Almost completely every program in K and R is a C++ program. Simplicity and elegance. Fewer built in data type, for example, non-matrices. Support for user defined data type. Act like built-in standards template. No compromise in efficiency, runtime or memory. Compilation analysis to prevent identical corruption of data. Support object-oriented style of programming. Compatibility with C. How is C++ is not backward compatibility in C. C does not allow old style C function declaration, void function f of a int a, generic function declaration, void f, void g, setting in a int num, multiple declaration integer I, int I, assign to void int p equal to molec 10. Other difference, constant, global, variable have external linkage in C++, external in C. Extra keyword in C++, void main, integer catch equal to 5. Purpose of programming language. Programming language serve two purposes. Vehicle for specifying action to be executed, close the machine, set of concept for thinking about what can be done, close the program, begin, solve. Object oriented C++ excel at both. Learning of C++ goals: don't just learn new syntax but become a better programmer and designer. Learn new and better way of building system. B. While to learn C++ style, don't force another style into it. C++ support gradual learning. Use what you know as learn new features and techniques. Add those tools to your toolbox. C++ support variety of computer paradigm. Programming paradigm. First, procedural implementation algorithm while function variable modular partition program into modules separate compilation object oriented divided problem into classes data hiding inheritance abstraction separate interface from implementation abstract classes generic manipulate arbitrary data type. What is object oriented? Encapsulation, black box, internal data hiding. Inheritance is related classes share more implementation and or interface. Polymorphism, ability to use a class without knowing its type. Some C++ concept constructor, destructor, copy constructor, initialization list, inheritance, exception, overloading operator, namespace, const, virtual function, pure virtual, friend, template, standard template library, pass by value, pass by reference, composition, various derivation. A simple C++ program. The hash include IO stream. Hash includes C stdio printf main function int the data type number print hello world cout is hello world and standard end line. Declaration and definition. Declaration extend char C structure user double quote okay to have many. Definition character C int count 1 double AC must have exactly 1. Thank you friends for watching this video.